I now want to talk about the relation of the Bonelab Repository to Numerics88. So for those of you who are not familiar, Numerics88 is a software company owned by Dr. Stephen Boyd and Dr. Eric Nodwell that produced the finite element solver FAME for HRPQCT. You might be familiar with this software because you might have been told to go through the FAME user manual to learn how to create, solve, and post-process finite element models. There's also a GitHub team for Numerics88 Solutions Limited. And all of this is the various tools you might see. So for instance, we have the ability to read and write aims, the ability to read PQCT images, etc., etc., etc. The way we've set up the code is that anyone who's producing very technical, hard C++ code is going to be producing a Numerics88 Solutions Limited repository. So for instance, if you have a new type of solver, or you're making changes to the aim.io, or you're adding a new reader-writer in C++, or you're changing the fundamentals of the post-processors in Numerics88, that code goes in Numerics88 Limited. And the reason for this is because we can easily maintain this, and the users never need to see it. So with this, we distribute it all through Anaconda. Things like adequate reimbursements should be discussed prior to putting code in the Numerics88 solutions, but know that anything that is C++ based is put in here. So this is the separation between the Bonelab repository and similar Bonelab softwares and the Numerics88 software.